Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit ZOO tokens into your KuCoin account, step by step. First, you will need to log into your KuCoin account. Once logged in, locate the Assets section, usually found in the top right corner, and click on Deposit. Then, simply search for ZOO in the search bar to proceed with your deposit. Next, it is crucial to select the correct network for your ZOO deposit. KuCoin supports ZOO on the Tunjet network, so ensure you choose this option. After selecting the network, a unique deposit address will be displayed. Copy this address precisely. Some deposits also require a memo or tag. If one is provided, make sure to copy it as well, as it is essential for your funds to arrive correctly. Now, open your external cryptocurrency wallet where your ZOO tokens are stored. Locate the option to send or withdraw tokens. Paste the KuCoin deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient field. If a memo or tag was provided by KuCoin, enter it into the corresponding field in your wallet. Double-check that the network selected in your external wallet matches the Tunjet network you chose on KuCoin. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review all the transaction details, including the address, memo, network, and amount. Confirm the transaction in your external wallet. The deposit should reflect in your KuCoin account once the network confirms it, which typically takes a few minutes. You can track the status in your KuCoin deposit history. Congratulations, your ZOO tokens are now on KuCoin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.